What's going on, everyone? Joe G here, and thanks for stopping by my channel. We are back from another demo vid. We're going to be taking a look at Aggression. It is a 200-gram cake from Raccoon Fireworks. And this demo is being sponsored by our friends at Liberty Fireworks. Make sure you stop by Liberty Fireworks for all your firework needs this upcoming New Year season. Let's take a look at that, guys. How's the weight? Pretty decent weight. Got some weight on there. Let's take a look at the performance. It's a staff favorite 200-gram cake with silver nishiki and red, green, lemon, teal, and crackles. And I do love me some of that nishiki effect. Take a look there. All right, guys, let's go check this out.